Yes, sir. I sent it.
ठीक है, we are going to continue with Surds today. Uh, we are going to study a new concept which you may not have studied earlier, which basically involves. No, I'm not going to tell you because I will be asking you कि ये कैसे करेंगे. Let's start with question number 1 of the past papers. Given that bracket a plus square root 5, another bracket 3 plus b square root 5 is equal to this. Find the possible values of a and b. Before you start solving the question, can you tell me how are we going to solve this question? Obviously, Erad, we are going to multiply the two brackets. When we multiply the two brackets, we are going to get four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. First term, second term, third term, and fourth term is equals to 26 plus 11 square root 5. What should be the next step? This is what
Sir.
I'm interested in. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे?
Sir,
Yes.
couldn't you send one of the brackets to like the denominator of the other side and then rationalize that way?
And so, how would it help me in finding the value of A and the value of B?
Yes, it wouldn't.
I mean, maybe if I take this bracket to the other side and then I rationalize it, how is it going to help me find the value of A and the value of B? Chalo, if we are unable to identify right now, let's at least multiply the two brackets. Suppose it's a 5-mark question. Let's at least get 2 marks by multiplying and simplifying the brackets. Multiply the brackets around. 3a plus ab square root 5 plus 3 square root 5 plus 5b is equal to 26 plus 11 square root 5. I don't think we can simplify this expression, this equation further. So there's a concept that we are going to use. And that concept is called comparing.
Sir, couldn't you send the three square root 5 to the other side, subtracted from 11 square root 5?
I can, but even then if I do so, the concept that I'm going to use, error, to solve this question is called comparing. And when do we use this method of comparing? हम कब यूज करते हैं comparing का method? जब हमारे पास एक ही इक्वेशन हो लेकिन अननोन्स कितने हो?
2.
2 or more than 2. We use the method of comparing. If we had two equations, अगर हमारे पास दो equations होती, फिर हम अननोन्स निकालने के लिए उन दोनों equations को कैसे सॉल्व करते थे? अगर दो equations होती तो दो अननोन्स निकालने के लिए हम दोनों equations को कैसे सॉल्व करते?
Simultaneously.
बट हमारे पास क्योंकि एक ही इक्वेशन है तो हम कंपेयरिंग करेंगे. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर square root 5 with square root 5. We will compare the coefficients of square root 5 is equals to से पहले square root 5 के coefficients क्या हैं? What are the coefficients of square root 5?
AB
AB
and plus 3.
AB plus 3 is equal to And after the equals to sign, what is the coefficient of square root 5?
11.
11. This is going to be your first equation. After comparing square root 5 with square root 5, AB plus 3 is equals to 11. And if we compare the remaining constants with the remaining constants,
3
what
plus
should be the
5
equation?
uh, 2 equals to 26.
Should I write 3 or should I write 3a?
3a. 3a.
3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Let's solve this simultaneously. I am making A the subject from the second equation, and I'm going to put this value of A into the first equation. Can you please use your calculator for middle term breaking and tell me the answer? No, I think I've made a mistake.
Sir, I'm getting 5b minus 26b plus 24, not 42.
Yes. This is plus 9, ये वहां जाके minus 9 हो जाएगा, plus 24. So the two values of B I'm getting are 4 and 6 upon 5. Let's put these values into the third equation. The two values of A I'm getting are 2 and 20 upon 3. Done, Arad?
Uh, Third, I'm not getting 20 upon 3. Upon 3. I'll redo the equation, but I'm not getting 20 upon 3 is 6.
Okay, recheck.
Uh, okay, never mind. I did get 20 upon 3. I forgot to
You're
put the
getting
5.
it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Uh, Next question that we will do is question number 2. It's on a rectangle. It is better that you draw a rectangle and mark the lengths which are given. Two plus square root 18 is one of the lengths, and 5 minus 4 upon square root 2. Part A. What are we finding?
Part A, we're just finding the area of the rectangle.
Yes. And what is the formula of area of rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. Let's multiply the two brackets. Now, do you see a surd which can be further simplified?
Yeah, the 4 upon 18, you can multiply it by minus. No, actually, no, we cannot.
No, no, no. I'm talking about this surd, square root 18. Do you know square root 18 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2? And a pair of 3 would come out and it will become 3 square root 2. This is how you are going to write square root 18. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So it would become 15 square root 2 minus आखिरी टर्म क्या बन जाएगी? If you convert square root 18 into 3 square root 2.
36 square root 2.
Why 36? If this becomes 3 square root 2, 3 and 4 gets multiplied.
Oh, wait, 12 square root. Sorry.
12 square root 2 upon square root 2. So now I can cancel out square root 2 with square root 2. 10 minus 12 minus 2 minus 8 upon square root 2 plus 15 square root 2. What should I do now?
You could use the LCM, or you could
ठीक है.
rationalize.
I could rationalize as well. Whatever you say.
Let's do the LCM.
Let's do the LCM. Okay. And now we will
Now
rationalize.
rationalize.
Normally search के rationalization के questions में at the beginning of the question it says do not use a calculator in this question. That is why it is very important that you show all the steps. And then what you could do is you could take 2 common from the numerator and cancel it out with the denominator, which would leave you with the answer as 11 square root 2 minus 2. क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ था हमें किस फॉर्म में आंसर देना है a plus b square root 2. So let's write it as like this. Second part of the question. The value of d square where d meters is the length of the diagonal. D is the length of the diagonal. So how can we find d square? What formula?
First, we would find the hypotenuse. Wait, no.
And
We would just find the hypotenuse. We would not square root it because we need the value of
yes,
t square.
yes. So we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
Okay, let's apply Pythagoras theorem to do the second part of this question. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. And we will use the algebraic identity to expand the brackets. A square plus 2ab plus b square. And for the second bracket, it's up to you whether you expand this first or you rationalize this first. So whatever you say, Arad.
Oh, I'm expanding first.
Okay. A square minus 2ab प्लस इसका b स्क्वायर क्या बनेगा 8
8 upon. No, no, it would be 16 upon 2.
which is 8.
Oh, wait, yeah, yeah.
4 plus 18 plus 25 plus 8. 55. I've already told you how to simplify this.
It would be 12, square root 2.
Yes. All right, now what? LCM or rationalization first? इस बार rationalize करके देख लें पहले.
Sir, are you sure that you're getting 55 and not 45? Oh, wait, no, it's 18. It's 18. Okay, no, you're right. We can rationalize.
Okay, let's rationalize first. In the last part, we took LCM first, and this part we are rationalizing first, so that we know both the methods. This becomes 55 plus 12 square root 2 minus 40 square root 2 upon 2. I'm cancelling out 2 with 40. D square is equals to 55 plus 12 minus 20 is minus 8 square root 2. So we needed the value of D square and we got it. Done?
Yes, done.
Okay. Question 3 we have already done. Let's come to question number 4. Let's draw the diagram. So we have to draw a right angle triangle. The two shorter lengths are, which means other than the hypotenuse. square root a plus square root b, because hypotenuse is the longest side in a triangle. Square root a minus square root b. The hypotenuse is L and the area is A. Find in terms of A and B an expression for L and or nahi hai ye. This is for and for A. So we have to find both. So in order to find L, what are we going to apply?
Sir, haven't they already given us the value of L?
वो तो बाद में दिया है ना. Given further that A equals to this equals to this. वो तो बाद की बात है ना. पहले तो it says find in terms of A and B an expression for L and A.
Okay, okay.
So let's apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So I'll give you a minute to simplify this.
I got the value as L square equals to 2A plus 2B.
Okay. But it says find an expression for L, which means we will have to apply square root on both the sides.
Sir, then couldn't we put the value of 8 already inside of L when it's
No, we
squared?
cannot. No. It says, देखो जब L की value दी है ना उसने 8, it says given further that A is equals to this and L equals to this, find A and B. That is after you have already found the expressions for L and A, then you have to put the value of L in place of L and the value of A in place of A.
Okay, okay. I get it.
So it's basically 2 bracket A plus B inside the square root. Now we will find the expression for A. Half into base into height. Which algebraic identity do I notice over here?
A square plus B square.
A square minus B square. A square will be A, B square will be B. So now we have the answer for an expression of area as well. अब बताओ हमें L के अंदर क्या पुट करना है?
8.
8. और हमें ए में क्या पुट करना है?
11.
11. अब हम इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को क्या करेंगे जिससे हमें ए और बी की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी?
We could solve them simultaneously.
Yes. Let's apply squaring on both the sides to get rid of the square root. And instead of multiplying 2 with the bracket, let's divide 2 with 64. So this is going to be our first equation. And this is our second equation. 30 seconds, Erad, you will tell me the value of A and B. It's a very easy simultaneous.
Uh, 27.
27. Okay. 27 is the value of A or B?
Value of B.
Okay.
A is 5.
Okay. Next question. Uh, uh, Not question 5. Yes, question number 6.
Sir, when
Yes.
I checked the answers of the book as well, but for the book is saying that A is 27 and B is 5. I'm getting the opposite answer. So is that the
Okay, let's see.
what's the thing with that?
Okay. If your A is 5 and your B is 27, let me see. Are we making a mistake anywhere? Because A as 5 and B as square root 27 is wrong. Why? Because if you put it over here, square root 5 minus square root 27, this gives a negative answer, and length can never be negative, right?
Yes.
तो ये आंसर क्यों आ रहा है हमारा? What did you make the subject and from which equation?
From equation number 2, I made A the subject.
Okay. मेरा तो B5 आ रहा है.
Oh, I see. I put a negative sign in front of the 22.
Oh, please, Eraz, I do not expect you to make such a mistake. चलो भाई, next question. Question number 6. What is the meaning of square base?
The side that is touching the ground is a square.
It's a square. Okay. In order to solve this question, which formula are we going to use?
We should use
Volume.
the volume formula.
Okay. A rectangular block. A rectangular block is which shape?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. And what is the formula of volume of a cuboid?
Length into breadth into height.
Length into breadth into height. Where length and breadth are both same, because it's a square base, the base is a square, only the height is different. So in place of volume, I am placing the volume. Length multiplied by breadth will be square root 3 minus square root 2 multiplied by square root 3 minus square root 2. So instead of writing it twice, I am putting a square on the bracket into the height. तो ये पूरा ब्रैकेट नीचे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ठीक है. You will first expand this bracket using the algebraic identity, and then you will rationalize it. But you will do it in the last 10 minutes of the class. I have to discuss one more question. Question number 7. Read the question error and then tell me how would you solve this question.
Uh, we would use a comparing method. I think, yeah,
Correct.
comparing method.
Very good. And before we start comparing, what should we do?
First, we can just square both sides.
Correct. Or we could rationalize this side. But If you're saying that you want to apply squaring on both sides, let's do it with that method. थर्टीन का मैंने स्क्वायर करके 169 लिख दिया और डिनोमिनेटर पे मैंने स्क्वायर कर दिया. Now what we are going to do is we will expand this bracket, then we will rationalize this, then we will compare both the sides in the end. What are you going to compare with what?
We will compare the b square 3 with whatever we are getting for uh, from the expansion of the 3's 4 plus 3 square, and then for a we'll compare the rest whatever is left.
Yes, we will compare the square root 3 with the square root 3 and the remaining with the remaining. Okay. These two questions are your classwork, question number 6 and question number 7. Now please mark your homework and the deadline of the homework. As your homework, you will do question number 8 from the past papers, question number 10, after question 10, question 21, question 23, and question 25. Yes, that's it. 21, 23, and 25. Your deadline is Wednesday, 3 p.m. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, sir.